Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all archive stories on Instagram. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram app. From here, what you need to do is tap on Profile on the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Menu on the top right corner. Here, you will get to see a list of options. So if you check them, you will see Archive. Tap on Archive. Once you're here, you'll get to see all your archived stories, so you can delete them right here. Note that you cannot delete them all at once, so what you need to do is tap on individual stories and then tap on delete. So tap on the story that you want to delete, and after that, tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner. And here you'll get to see the delete option. Tap on delete. After that, tap on delete to confirm. Once it's done, the story archive will be removed from your profile. So what you need to do is tap on each and every one of the story archive and delete them individually. So that is how to delete all archive stories on your Instagram.